starts to climb. A humble root, a taste outside of time. Boiling soft and tender, breaking through the white. A classic dish is starting under morning light. A handful of the coconut, the shallots and the spice, blended for a feeling that is so precise. Mixed into the comfort, every flavor takes a hold.